This is pretty interesting. It shows the new bills, 1,000 peso, about 20 American dollars, 500 pesos, about 10 American dollars, 100 pesos, about 2 American dollars, and 50, about 1. I got my tortillas, and I'm very excited. One's a beef, one's a chicken. It's the salsa. I'm allergic to avocados. I don't know what that is, but I'll leave it alone. And this is supposed to be a beef quesadilla that they're trying out. All I know is it is delicious and I cannot wait. It's a beautiful morning with a Filipino breakfast. And the best part of waking up is my lady. And me. And of course, baby over there. Wow, special treatment. VIP nail cutting. I want one for me. Look at that. Being taken care of. Such attention and care and love. And we don't expect anything from you other than like, I expect gifts on Father's Day. But mommy doesn't expect anything but just like you being there, just you breathing. That's unconditional love. Me, I have a condition. On Father's Day, I want some coffee cups. And like, a burger, pizza, lasagna, spaghetti, just food, huh? Because, no, joke, I'm just joking, I don't care, I have unconditional love too. Okay. Okay. You don't have to give me anything. Yet. Oh, isn't this interesting? I just came for some candy to give to the kids in the community. But then I found something for myself. Some anime wind fans. It's just similar to what I have here. So why not? Let's see if I can get some. What's the price? 85 pesos? 85? About under $2. So many designs. Flower lollipops, sports lollipops, Mickey lollipops, but it looks like it's Minnie Mouse. Corn, watermelon, mandarin, lime. Wow. Just get these. How much? Some good selections like taco, smoking barbecue, roasted corn. But I'm looking for flaming hot Doritos and flaming hot Cheetos. Someday, one day. Whoa. Barrel Meal Branch Family Drug. I'm gonna see if they have some baby nasal spray. And the branch name, Barrel Meal, reminds me of a taco shop that's right down by Novo. I saw it on Facebook. So, I mean, if this is the branch, the street must be close by. I'm gonna check it out. All right, so what had happened there was I asked for a baby nasal spray. And they had offered me one that was for everybody. So I need to go search for another store that has infant or baby nasal spray specifically. So if I come home with just nasal spray that doesn't say baby on it, ooh, I know mommy's gonna. Is this for babies? But I got water. Okay. Looks like I found it. Empire Tacos. But are we open? Do we take cash? And how's the menu look? Hopefully it's available. That's pretty high tech. But nobody there. Well, at least I know where it is. And technically, I could just wait at Luneta Park and have it delivered to Luneta Park and just eat there. But let me see. These look like good options, especially this ube with cheese, this adobo, this tapa. My only complaint is that it's so small. And these sauces, I want to try like Jack's. Maybe just not my time. Not my time, I'll come back. This is pretty interesting. It shows the new bills, 1,000 peso, about 20 American dollars, 500 pesos, about 10 American dollars, 100 pesos, about 2 American dollars, and 50, about 1. The Cyan leopard cat, Palawan peacock pheasant, whatever that is, Filipina eagle, the Cyan spotted deer, that and that. Right, got me a number. Reminds me of the 90s in the grocery store. Grab a number at the meat market or the deli section. So I got number 14, not too long, and I'll ask for baby nasal spray. Let's see, what do they have here? All types of oil. My ketchup. Diapers. Diapers. Okay. Wow, check this out. Kit Kat pineapple. An acquired taste, but I like it. I want to leave with some, but by the time I get home, it probably be melted. And then that defeats the purpose. Takes away from the quality. Shit, I just eat it now. I will just eat it now. At DIY, and I'm very interested how much these cost. Because it's 90. 69 pesos for that. And then for this one, 10 pieces, bigger, but how much? 53 pesos. But 90, I mean, how small can you be? Next, looking for a laundry bag. I see all types of hangers for underwear, socks to hang outside. Regular hangers. Ooh, bigger ones for little pieces to hang outside. So you'd think a laundry bag would be close by, right? I don't see it. I do not see it. That's life. That's life. On to the next floor then. Ooh, clothespins, old school. Alright, looking for laundry bags, but all I see is bags. Nice ones too, huh? Colorful. Nice hats, but wrong material. This reminds me of my kilt collection, my kilt attire. if it was a different fabric than jeans. Whoa, fedora. Is that a fedora? Bucket hat? Winter hats? Huh. I used to have this street style for a while, but I grew out of it. I pick this style more these days. And it doesn't look like it. Just look at me. Alright, laundry bag. Where are we? I'm looking because I see everything but a laundry basket. Everything but stuff to iron clothes on, make them look better, stuff to hang clothes on, but nothing to put the dirty clothes on. Now check this out. I'm looking for a laundry basket. This rubber, let's back away. It's flexible. Alright, it bends. It's supposed to be for baby clothes. So why not, right? If I find this in blue or gray, I'll just get it. It'll be a temporary laundry basket for baby clothes. Gotta improvise. Gotta improvise. Oh, check this out. Laundry nets. Laundry nets to wash the delicate items in. But I'm still looking for a laundry bag. Looks like it's gonna be this temporarily. Even if it's pink. I hear back in the day, pink used to be for boys and blue for girls. Then it changed. That's what I hear. Disinfecting wipes. I could use those around the house. Definitely. This is a phone charger. 3 different ports. Oh, come on. I know Apple. I mean iOS. I know Android. But what is QC3? What is that? What is that? QC3. Huh. Interesting. Back again because I want it. Let's see what we got. Hello. Whoa, am I that tall? Good afternoon. Thank you so much. I had you once on the boulevard, and I'm back again if you're open.
Yeah, we're open.
All right. The place was finally open, so I'm back here in the back department just to get some fresh air. And they're gonna hook me up with some a quesadilla that they're trying out. I saw them at the boulevard when there was a festival. Hello, little kitties. Probably want food, huh? I saw them at the festival and I tried out their tacos and they're pretty good. So I'm back. I got my tortillas and I'm very excited. One's a beef, one's a chicken. It's the salsa. I'm allergic to avocados. I don't know what that is, but I'll leave it alone. And this is supposed to be a beef quesadilla that they're trying out. All I know is it is delicious and I cannot wait. I'm also allergic to straight avocados, but if it's like in a guacamole type thing, then I can eat it. Kind of like with apples. I'm allergic to apples, but I can eat applesauce. Anyone else like that? Okay, now to the eating. Let's give it a try. Wow. And I gotta remember to pay when I'm done. I think that's how it is in most places. Like, you pay when you're done. Yeah, because I'm eating here, so I pay when I'm done. Yeah, this is delicious. And I don't know what kind of sauce this is, but it's like mango mixed with a little chili. Sweet and spicy. The tortilla feels homemade. Fresh, not like it's been sitting all day. The meat is thick, soft, tender. Gosh. Try this one. It's gotta be beef. And it's the same. Sweet, a little tarty. What's the difference? Maybe this one has more lettuce, which gives it a tart feeling, if that makes sense. But I like both of them. I like both of them. And the beef quesadilla, a new item they're trying on their menu. This is good, but what all it needs is sauce, like something to dip it in. This would be like ordering a burger plain, where it's still good, but if it had more like sauce to dip it in, it'd be even better. Kind of like with nachos, like you want the nachos to be hot, you can eat them by themselves, but if you have nacho cheese, wow. That's it, I'm coming here once a month. If not more. This is delicious. Wow. Wow. I made a good choice to come back. No complaints. I am happy.